Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my ad center, how to turn on personalized ads on your Google account. Let's get started by open your settings on your phone and then go to the Google account here to manage your account. You can tap it and you can go to the data and privacy chapter or a tab here. You can scroll down here, personalized ads. You can tap on this. You can choose whether the ads you see on Google services and partner sites are personalized. Here, ads you can control and you want to see and which info can be used to personalize them. To get started, turn on personalized ads. This one, you can turn this on. You will have more control over the ads you see. Your ads may be personalized using your info, including your activity on Google sites and so on. So if you turn this on, here you can adjust your age, gender for your account info, relationship, activity used to personalize ads, and you can customize the ads you see in here. You can choose the topic, brands you're interested in here. For example, you can add laptop or computer, beverage, music, audio, or trending and brands. Here, not seeing ads you like, you can turn on web and app activity to synchronize your activity with the ads. So please feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.